am KT Kuttan from Thrissur. I retired from Assistant Engineer from Kerala State Warehousing Corporation. One of the happy news, I started real estate business in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. I helped to selling an apartment nearest Guruvayur temple, only 800 meters from Guruvayur West Nada, and very nearest to new 6-lane national highway, and nearest to Chavakad beach. Now I share details of that apartment. The total area of that apartment 82,637 square feet, and total flat area 59,832 square feet. Land area 61.8 cent. Common area 17,178 square feet, and the recreation area 5,627 square feet, and it contained (120) number of the flat in it, and parking 48 cars at a time. The another details of the individual flat. The one flat studio apartment 56 number, and one of the area of the studio flat 444 square feet, and its amount, single amount 20 lakh only. The another flat 1 BHP 32 number, area of the 1 BHP flat 636 square feet, an amount of that flat 28 lakh. The another 2 BHP flat 32 number, area of the one flat 999 square feet, an amount of single flat 42 lakh only. The total amount of that apartment 33 crore 60 lakh only. And the very important business start in this flat. The room rented will be rented daily and monthly, and solid individual flat. See, this amount is very low, and anybody, do you like to purchase the apartment flat and rented daily or monthly? Please contact me. My phone number 8907125257.